Yes, it does need to be done. You know, the Houses of Parliament, Buckingham Palace, these are the iconic symbols that tourists come to see. And one of the great advantages of a weaker pound, of course, is that more tourists are coming to the country. So yes, let's do it. Let's get on with it. How do we pay for it? I've got an idea.
Oh,
now,
dear.
I've got an idea. Now,
You got a friend we can borrow some money from.
I knew you'd like this. So, even though we voted Brexit, we're still members of the European Union. We're still paying a net 30 million quid a day into the Brussels coffers. Stop payments for a fortnight, all the costs are covered. Easy peasy.
And Sir Patrick.
Well, Nigel, you've spent that money so many times over on so many different...
Very good.
You must have ownership of the magic money tree.